All right, gang, so this is a new daily project. As you can see, it got into a little wreck, but this is a 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500. As you can see, really clean interior. Has only 93,000 miles, but this is the project. So first thing first, the first goal with this truck is to obviously get it going. Luckily the motor runs good, everything runs good, but as you can see, it did get damage from this side of the vehicle and this side of the vehicle as well. It looks like they hit most impact on the driver's side, but otherwise I started looking at things and kind of just wanted to pick up the camera before I get this project started. I did have in mind to make maybe a little video or a little part video off this project, and yeah, so far it looks like there's some really bad damage right here in the upper control arm bracket, which is not good. I'm gonna see how it looks like this part right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, is like dented. This part right here is dented, kind of supposed to be in a straight flush like that, which is the control arm, and that's the mounting. So that's probably my biggest concern, and otherwise I know this power steering rack needs to get replaced. It's nice and bent up. Brake line got busted, control arm got busted, whole lower control arm got busted. Probably gonna have to replace the strut too. It's probably bent up, even though they sit a little sideways like that in these Chevys. But yeah, this is gonna be a nice little project. Gonna see how long it takes me to get everything going. Let me see if I can pop this head. This thing is stuck again. Yep, thing is stuck. But as you can see, the interior is super clean. Unfortunately, the bags did blow, but for the year this truck has, it's a super clean truck. Super clean. Look, no button fade, nothing. Seems to be open. But yeah, this is gonna be the project. I'll probably do a little part by part video and see where this goes. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Was goody, y'all. So this is the next video for the Chevy Silverado. As you can see, I took the bumper off, and I actually got some parts in, y'all, but I got lower control arm. I did end up getting, but this is a bumper over here. You feel me? It looks like it hit this side, which is the driver's side. It hit the worst, but it's dented that side. But yeah, I actually was able to pick up some parts today, and I got Let me put this aside. I actually was able to get sway bar links, both control arms, both sway bar links, and some Rancho front struts for both sides. I actually got the brake line as well for the driver's side since it has busted. And I got struts for my girl's car, spark plugs, etc., but that would be for another video or whatnot. But otherwise, this is what I'm gonna be working on today. For the most part, I think I'm gonna want to replace the control arm since it's all busted up from the back. Right over here, you see that? Literally broken off that piece. So you can see the brake fluid's leaking now. But I think my main issue right now is that control arm, a tire, and this center link. So that's what it is. It's a center link, which is that thing for the steering. But I couldn't get that today at the store I was at, maybe at a different store. But this is the project, so I'll probably do a little roll by as I'm doing the control arm and whatnot. But brand new control arm, so let's get it. So what do you know? We are in this mess and there's no going back. So far we have gotten the control arm out. About to put in the new one. I should have got some more footage of just working on the truck, but it is what it is. We're gonna let's see what's up now with putting on this control arm.